Hi, it's Jez here from Nigezza.co.uk. Thank you for joining me today. Today I haven't got a usual project. What I've got is I'm telling you about my December class takeaway, which is to make this gorgeous box with cards inside. You can have it as the full takeaway, which includes the products that you need, which is this Magnolia Blooms stamp set, which is in the beginner brochure, not in the main catalogue. You'll get a quarter share of this gorgeous glittery organza ribbon. You will also get some rhinestones to help complete it, and then you'll get all the cardstock and everything to make this. So I shall just show you that in a bit more detail. So this is the kit. You're going to get the lovely Magnolia Blooms stamp set. It's photopolymer, and you're going to get 10 extra thick Whisper White card blanks. So I will cut and score each of those for you, and you'll get 10 lovely Whisper White envelopes so that your cards that you give will look lovely. You'll get 3 sheets of Whisper White. So you need you need 2 to stamp over to make your own DSP, and then 1 for the sentiments, and you will have spare. And then you've got 3 sheets of basic black, and you've got 1 for the card, for the box base, and then 2 for mats, and you will have spare left over for that. And then you will have a couple of meters or enough to do the projects of this glittery organza. And I'm probably going to throw in some rhinestones, because when I picked this out I thought actually we'll probably put some rhinestones to finish them off. So you'll get a share of a packet of rhinestones so that you can finish the cards off nicely in that way. Okay, all the details on my blog, and yeah, you will also get a full PDF download showing you how to cut, how to make each of the cards, and how to make the box, and there will be videos to accompany that, tutorials that are exclusive to people buying this kit. And there is the optional add-on of the tufted 3D embossing folder, which I use to make these cards. So you can add that to the kit if you want to, with no extra P&P on that. So once you've followed there's 5 videos, so I've split them up so that you don't have like nearly 2 hours worth of videos when you want to just find one little bit. So each stage is split up for you so that you can find a bit easy, and sort of done in real time, so that you can craft along with me if you want. This box is designed to hold the Stampin' Up envelopes, which is like a standard C6 envelope, and the cards. So it will take American size cards as well as UK size cards. And the templates that I've done one for 8.5 by 11 paper as well as standard A4 paper. I've also done them in centimetres and inches as well. So whatever you craft with, you should be able to do it. And there is the instructions for making these 8 cards. You get the lovely envelopes as well, as I've shown you. You also get enough to make 10 cards, so you can make a couple of extra, or do something else. So using the sentiments in the stamp set. We've got 3 happy birthdays. I've done 2 congratulations, and I've done 3 thank yous. You can of course change sentiments however you want. They will fit in any punches or dies that you might have. Those cutouts won't be included. Those are just scissor cut. But I have suggested ways of doing it, but you can use other dies if you prefer. And I have embossed the card bases. So I'm sure lots of you have got different embossing folders, but I am offering you to be able to add an embossing folder or more to your order, and it won't increase the P&P delivered to you. The embossing folders that I have used are the subtle embossing folder, the layered leaves, and the tufted one. I was going to do it all in the tufted, and then I decided, because I received this around the time when I was planning it, it was like, oh, that would look nice, and I always fall back on the subtles because I love it. So I was just giving you options, and you could use other embossing folders if you've got them. So that's it. All the details are on my blog. So as I thought this would be a lovely Christmas gift, this itself would be a lovely Christmas gift, so you could order it, make it, give it to somebody for Christmas. The actual kit itself would be a lovely Christmas gift, so I want to make sure that we can get them to you by Christmas. So I looked up UK postage, and if I get it in the post by the 18th of October, you should get it by Christmas. So there is a short turnaround on this, so I need to know by the 8th of October if you want this. If you don't want the product base, you can buy it with the stamp set. You can buy it without the stamp set, so you just get all the card stock and the videos and the instructions, or you can just buy the download on its own, and that hasn't got a time limit on it. You can order that at any time. So £30 for the the full takeaway. If you want to leave out the stamp set, then that will be £17, and if you just want the download, it's £8. Okay, so super idea there for Christmas. Hope you'll like it. Obviously the product based one is only available in the UK, but anybody in the world can order the downloads and the access to the exclusive videos. Okay, blog post there to tell you all about it. Like and subscribe if you like me. Go and have a look at some more videos. Okay, see you again soon. Bye.